In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 10 products that you need to sell now. Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Trends. Our channel is all about product research and helping you find winning products to sell on your Shopify store. To have a successful online store, spotting winning products before anyone else is a vital skill. We, at Everyday Trends, do this for you, so all you have to do is watch our videos. Stay tuned and keep watching until the end to find a product that will bring you big profit. Don't forget to smash the like button. Our first product is for people who need to constantly be reminded that someone loves them, the I Love You More keychain. It's the perfect romantic gift for your girlfriend or boyfriend. Made of stainless steel that is smooth, shiny, and scratch resistant. It has no orders yet on AliExpress, so you can be the pioneer. It's also getting more popular on Google search engines. This is the perfect way to make your person's heart skip a beat, especially if you are too broke to buy them jewelry. You could sell this for $14.95, while the product costs only $152. Shipping is $108, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $12.35. If you think that product's amazing, wait until you see number 1. The next product is for the kids and kids at heart, the flying ball toy. It features an aerodynamic enclosed orb design and a magic wand controller that keeps your kids active and entertained. It's durable and small, so you can play with it whenever and wherever. It has 4.8 stars on AliExpress and a good amount of orders. This product is super unique and it has a high perceived value. It's the perfect Christmas gift for kids or even for yourself. Just don't let other people catch you playing with the magic wand. You could sell this for $49.95, while the product costs only $25.13. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a great profit margin of $24.82. The next product is for people who want to know what it feels like to be a kangaroo, the Pet Pouch Hoodie. It helps you carry your pets around while keeping both of you close and warm. It has a simple, plain design with sturdy interior and side pockets. It has a 4.7 star review on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders, so you can take advantage of this untapped potential. Who doesn't want to look like a kangaroo? Enough said. You could sell this for $59.99, while the product costs only $15.62, and shipping is $2.93, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $41.44. The next product is for those who want to make their stuff look brand new but are unable to buy new ones, the Magic Lint Roller. This helps you remove pilling and fuzz from sweaters, curtains, carpets, upholstery, and more. It's portable and it doesn't require batteries. Buyers on AliExpress are happy with it, with 4.7 stars and a good amount of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. Who doesn't want their fabrics to look clean and new? You could sell this for $19.99, while the product costs only $5.80. Shipping cost is free, so you're looking at a solid profit margin of $14.19. The next product is for the guys who like doing outdoorsy stuff, the waterproof quick drying pants. It's the perfect pants for outdoor adventures, even for winter. It's made of military-grade fabric that is waterproof, breathable, and scratch resistant. It has 4.6 stars on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. For ladies, it's the perfect gift for their man for the upcoming holidays. It can also be a subtle way of telling them to not sit on the couch all day. You could sell this for $39.95, while the product costs only $20.30. Shipping costs $8.58, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $11.07. The next product is for the pet lovers out there, the Custom Photo Pet Pillow. It turns any image of your dog into a double-sided, ultra-soft, and hyper-realistic dog pillow. It's the perfect gift to welcome a new furry friend to the family, commemorate a lost pet, or if you just want to have a doppelganger of your pet. It has an almost perfect 4.9 star review on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. This product is unique and untapped, so you can take advantage of this. Who doesn't want a cute pet pillow? You could sell this for $34.99, while the product costs only $8.90. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $26.09. The next product is made to develop a kid's creativity, the LCD writing tablet. It lets your kids write and draw all they want without wasting any paper. It's made with child-friendly material that is safe for home, office, school, restaurant, and car use. It's got a 4.1 star rating on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. It's the perfect Christmas gift for kids. It's also a good way to make them stop drawing on your walls. You could sell this for $22.99 while the product costs only $8.17. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $14.82. The next product is for people who want to feel like they're in a spa. The vase-shaped air humidifier. It purifies the air and moisturizes skin while giving off a delicate, pleasing aroma. The classic wooden base design makes your house look pretty too. It has a whopping 5 stars on AliExpress and not yet a lot of orders. It's also getting more popular in the Google search engine. Because who wants to have a dry and crusty face during the holidays? How are you gonna get a date? You could sell this for $24.95 while the product costs only $8.81. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $14.14. The next product is the product that I wish existed when I was a kid, the bubble gun. It has 8 holes that blow hundreds of colored bubbles per minute. Just insert the bubble liquid, pull the trigger, and you're good to go. It has 4.7 star reviews on AliExpress and a good amount of orders. Similar products were also winners before on the market. If this product had existed before, I wouldn't have fainted in front of my friends trying to blow bubbles that one time in kindergarten. You could sell this for $19.99 while the product costs only $3.93. Shipping is free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $16.06. Finally, this product is the cutest of them all, the carrot pole plush toy. This carrot pulling vegetable field mat is the perfect interactive toy that you can play with your pet. The exterior is made of high-quality crystal cotton soft fabric. It's durable so the cotton won't easily pop out. It has 4.4 stars on AliExpress and a good amount of orders. This product is unique, and similar products were also winners before on the market. Who doesn't want a toy that will bring you closer to your pets? You could sell this for $29.99 while the product costs only $16.48. Shipping is $105, so you're looking at a respectable profit margin of $12.46. So that's our top 10 winning products for today. Which one is your favorite? Let's have a conversation in the comment section below. Smash the thumbs up button if you got value from this, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you're always ahead of the game.